Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how YouTube can actually replace your full-time job in 2025 with a realistic income plan, not fake promises. If you've ever dreamed of earning from home or turning content into a career, this video is exactly for you. Did you know YouTube paid creators over $70 billion in the past 3 years? That means ordinary people, not celebrities, are making real stable income. But the secret isn't luck, it's strategy and consistency. Let's break down the exact roadmap to make YouTube your full-time income source. Section 1, Entrepreneur. First, change your mindset. Don't think like a YouTuber chasing views. Think like a digital entrepreneur building a business. Every video you post is a product. Your views are potential customers. Your analytics are your business reports. Once you start thinking this way, you'll treat YouTube as a long-term income asset, not a hobby. Section 2, Realistic Earnings. Let's talk numbers. If you're in a finance or make money niche, your RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, can go from $3 to $15. So with just 100,000 views per month, you can make $300 to $1,500. Add brand deals or affiliate links, and that easily doubles. And the best part? Your old videos keep earning even while you sleep. Section 3, Three-Step Income Plan. Step 1, choose a valuable niche like personal finance, YouTube growth, side hustles, or AI tools. Step 2, post 2 to 3 high-quality videos weekly. Focus on valuable content and strong watch time, not just clickbait. Step 3, after 3 to 6 months, start tracking your RPM, retention, and CTR. These metrics show which videos bring you the most income. Treat them like your financial data. Once you start earning, reinvest, upgrade equipment, hire editors, or promote your best videos. That's how you scale faster. Section 4, Job versus YouTube Reality. A job gives you fixed pay but limited growth. YouTube gives you no guaranteed pay, but unlimited potential. Think of it like investing. The more effort you put now, the more passive income you build later. Stay consistent for a year, and YouTube can easily match or even replace your salary. So yes, YouTube can replace your job in 2025, but only if you treat it seriously. Stay consistent, stay creative, and watch your efforts compound like real financial growth. If you're ready to turn YouTube into your business, drop a fire emoji in the comments and subscribe because next I'll show you how to earn your first $1,000 on YouTube, step by step.